Hello people. I'm being watched right now, so it's kind of funny. Long time no see. Yeah, I'm back. I had a little boy being born a month and a bit ago, so it's kind of, you know, still haven't had a haircut. So yeah, it's going to be a challenge, but I'm back. So if you want, you know, please subscribe and like and this and that. So on the other hand, I do have a helper. This guy, my neighbor.
Hello.
Eddie.
Hello.
He's gonna, well, he volunteered because he said he wanted to know something about cars. So
yeah, get one to it and all. Be good fun.
yeah, so we're gonna kind of try to do something a bit more efficient, maybe. We'll see. I haven't decided yet, so yeah, stay tuned and we're gonna be cracking on. Alright, cool. Look, people. Look what I got. This is a beast. Remember my little flimsy half-foot jack? This is probably 2 times bigger than this and 5 times, not 5, maybe 10 times heavier. Yeah, it's made by SGS Engineering and it's absolutely ridiculous. 3 ton, goes up 535 mil, and it's only actually really small, really low profile, so it's absolutely gorgeous. Probably gonna make my life a lot easier in the long run. Plus, well, we got the car out. That's a heavy beast. Today we're gonna take that door apart. Maybe we'll do something else, I don't know yet. But in other news, we have this little beast fully up and running. So I'm gonna have to go and practice with the settings and everything and beat my hand to it. But it's all running and, you know, waiting for me to crack on with it, which is gonna be quite an interesting piece of, what do you call it, experience. Yeah, there you go. And this is nearly done. I'm waiting for my friend to send me the immobilizer, i.e. the steering lock, and hopefully this is gonna start. I'll show you later as well when I receive it. So yeah, that's gonna be a lot of interesting things. And then you do this.
Is that a day? born.
Right, gents, look. Now, looking at the panels, this says 81, yeah? And those marks around it is how many months in 81 it was. So, 1, 2, January, February, March, April, May. May 81 is when I was born. Yeah? That is absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, 23.
Everything popped on there.
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
Yep. Huh?
You get the screen.
Yeah.
What was that?
Beast. You know what? I think I'm gonna try a bit of welding today. See what we're gonna have. 25 psi or liters a minute. CFH. Let's do it. 25. Maybe more. Guys. Turned it. Hey, it's too much power. I think it's okay. Oh, we have liftoff. Completely come off the windshield. Oops.
Well, look on the bright side. Easier to get the glass out.
Yeah. Hello.
Saving it for the scrapping on.
molded, you can save, I think. Yeah, you don't get these windshields like that on these old cars. They're never bonded in. Safety, yeah. Safety first, sometimes.
It's going to be there, then there, then there.
Whoopsie!
Crunchy.
Anyone want to buy a used Volvo 242 windshield? Huh? Yeah. Whoops! I'm sorry. And I'm really surprised, don't do that this has a bonded windshield, which is really interesting. It shouldn't exist. Clean it up later. That's really in good state. Get a Hoover.